Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to the window of Skype. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.